Welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Guru. Today we are talking about attorney versus a lawyer. What are the differences? In the United States, the term a lawyer and attorney are often used interchangeably. For this reason, people in and out of the legal field often ask, is an attorney and a lawyer the same thing? In colloquial speech, the specific requirement necessary to be considered a lawyer versus attorney are not always considered. Though in everyday speech, these terms usually refer to the same person. There are distinctions that law students should be aware of. Understanding the difference between a lawyer and an attorney is important for anyone interested in earning a Juris Doctor degree. Whether you are wondering how to become a lawyer or an attorney in court, having the correct definition of each term may help to guide your career decision. Attorney versus a lawyer, comparing definitions. Understanding the etymology of both terms can help you understand the distinction between attorney versus a lawyer, though both terms refer to someone who is educated in law. Understanding the technical definition bring the differences between a lawyer and attorney to light. The word lawyer has a Middle English origin and refers to someone who is educated and trained in law. The lawyers are people who have gone to law school and often may have taken and passed the bar exam. And attorney. Now we'll talk about attorney. Attorney has French origins and stems from a word meaning to act on behalf of others. The term attorney is an abbreviated form of formal title attorney at law. An attorney is someone who is not only trained and educated in law but also practices it in a court. A basic definition of an attorney is someone who acts as practitioner in a court of law. Attorney versus a lawyer, the differences in roles and duties. Like the distinction between the definition of lawyer versus attorney, the distinction between roles and duties of two professions are important to understand. As noted, both are formally trained and educated in law, but how someone uses their education and training is often a key difference between attorney and a lawyer. Though a lawyer is someone who has completed law school and passed the bar exam, you don't have to practice law in court to be considered a lawyer. However, the lawyer may take on roles as consultant or advertiser, may choose to practice in specialized fields such as estate law, immigration law, or tax law, where they may give legal advice to client. As an attorney, you practice law in court. Passing the bar exam is requirement for an attorney, giving them right to practice law in a specific jurisdiction. Like lawyer, attorney are required to abide by a code of ethic and may practice in both civil and criminal courts. Other similar law terms, there are other terms that refer to professionals who are similar to lawyers and attorney. Solicitor, barrister, advocate, esquire, and counsel are all terms that relate to legal profession. There are notable differences between these terms. Solicitor. Solicitor is a term specific to professional practicing law in United Kingdom and other countries. The term solicitor refers to someone who practices law in primary administrative and client facing setting. However, solicitors sometimes appear in court, especially lower courts. Related to all these, if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section and must subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Guru. Thank you so much.